15 days before the Double Asteroid Redirection Test, DART, was scheduled to crash into the asteroid Dimorphos, the Light Italian CubeSat for Imaging of Asteroids deployed, aiming to capture images of the impact and the asteroid's resulting cloud of ejected matter. LICIACube, DART's CubeSat companion provided by the Italian Space Agency, is about the size of a briefcase and has two optical cameras, LUC and LEIA. These photos will help researchers better understand the effectiveness of using a collision to knock an asteroid off its path, and European Space Agency's Hera project in 2026 will take a closer look at Didymos and Dimorphos, focusing on the collision crater and a precise measurement of Dimorphos' mass. Each of these images is a different crop of DART's impact with Dimorphos. The larger of the two bodies is Didymos. Dimorphos is smaller, with plumes of ejected matter radiating out from it in smoky-looking tendrils. If you like space videos, make sure to subscribe to SpaceIQ.